Hello guys, this is Gerry's Home Cooking. Today, we're going to cook buttered garlic crabs. We use 5 crabs in large size. We cut it into 2. 10 cloves of minced garlic. 1 chili minced. 60 grams of butter. 195 ml Sprite Soda. Then magic sarap. This is 60 grams butter. So we're going to melt it.
Ten cloves garlic minced.
So we're going to chop it. We're going to mince this garlic. So we have here minced garlic. Right after melting, we put minced garlic. We're going to cook this garlic until golden brown. One chili. Then we put
Cut the
this
crabs into
chili.
2 after you steam it.
Then 5 crabs, steamed crabs.
The crabs will be steamed first before you saute it.
Then ilalagay natin yung crabs. We put crabs here.
Add 195 milliliter Sprite Soda.
So we're going to cook this and boil until the Sprite will evaporate, and we're gonna wait until our crab is dry with a little of sauce. So we're going to put magic sarap seasoning. Mix it. Luto na po yung ating buttered garlic cloves. So ito na lang guys, luto na po itong ating crabs. So this is our buttered garlic crabs. Sarap po to guys.
Thanks for watching.